Hey guys, today I'm going to make a bird like these two. So which color do you pick? You choose this one? Alright, then let's make this one. We flip it over so that when we make a bird, we can have the color on it. So first put it like a diamond shape on your desk. Then fold it like this from this corner to this corner, up to down. Then put it nicely until this thing does not come up like this. Alright? It has come up. Then do the press on here so it does not come up. Yeah, it does not come up. So when it does not come up, we unfold it from down to up. Then from left, put a middle finger in or four fingers in until it goes to the right side of the corner. Hold it and keep dragging it. So as I told, we have to again do the press on wheel. Okay. So then again unfold it, then put it back as it was. Alright, up to down again. So then next step is from this corner we put it above this line and leave some space here and here. Then we keep one pointer finger in here, then fold it the other way from left to right. Then when you hold it up, hold it this way. So then there will be two corners. Hold one corner, put it up like this. Do the same for the another one. Alright. So then when you're done, the bigger side, like when it's big, that time you have to fold this corner, kutty fold, like this one. Take a sketch pen or a marker if you have, and draw a kutty dot that will be an eye. Do the same one for the next side, and voila! You made a bird like these two. And then you have a bird. You can now tell if it's flying. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos and you'll be the first one to watch this video. Bye bye.